Good morning, class. I'm sorry that I'm not here today. I'm at a conference today, but I thought I would show you how to do this assignment so that you can be successful today. So you should have a worksheet that looks just like this one. And basically today we're going to learn about half steps, okay? And this stuff might be new to you, might also be really easy for you. So I'm hoping it's easy for you, but it's okay if it's not. So a sharp sign, sharp, which looks like this, right? Okay, it means to raise the pitch. It makes the pitch higher. You know, if you're sharp on your instrument, you're actually a little bit too high, right? But a sharp sign on a note just means it's a higher note. That's old hat. Most of you know that. So that would be this one right here. A flat sign would lower the pitch, so it would be this one, and obviously it looks like that. Okay, so there's the first answer for you. Nobody better get that one wrong because I just answered them for you. Okay, the third question here, it says place a sharp sign to the left of each note, then write the note name on the corresponding piano key. The first thing I want you to notice is that this is bass clef. So if you need, the acronym for bass clef is good birds do fly always. Okay, so G, B, D, F, A. And the spaces are all cows eat grass. Okay, or A, C, E, G. All right, so if I'm looking for this one, I just simply have to go, this is good birds do fly, so that's an F, okay, an F. Okay, and we're gonna have to write this on the piano keys, so just bear with me for a second. And then you have to put the sharp on. Now, it says to the left of each note, so that's this side, right? Because as a performer, you want to see the sharp before you get there. So when you write the name of the note, you write F sharp because we say it as F sharp. But when you write it on the staff, you write the sharp before the note. So basically, you just have to go draw sharps before the note. They go on the same line or the same space, and then you have to name them. Now, the hard part is putting them on the piano staff, right? So you might have to have a reminder of what the pianos are. I'll put a link for your teacher to put up on the board so you can see the piano staff. But the thing that you have to remember is it's a pattern. Like there's 3 black keys, and then 2 black keys, and then 3 black keys, and then 2 black keys, and then 3 black keys, and then 2 black keys. So if you see that pattern, you just got to know one note. I always like to think the 2 black keys are kind of like a doghouse, and inside of the doghouse lives the dog. Okay, so we've got D, and then it's just alphabetical order from there on. D, E, F, whoops, I skipped a note, G, and then you just go back to A, and then from this way, you just go the opposite way, or you can just come down here and write a D if you don't like doing the alphabet backwards, because that's 2 keys. A, B, C. Then you can come and just go backwards, or you can just copy backwards. So C, B, A, G, and F. Okay. Now for this assignment, you don't need to write all the note names in. You just need to write F sharp in. So to find F sharp, you find F. And sharp is up. Remember, it means make the note higher, raises the pitch. So on piano, if we find an F, we go up. So this is the F sharp. Actually, to be very specific, it's this F sharp. Okay, this specific note is this one. Okay, close to middle C. Middle C is right here. Okay, but for now, I will just take whatever F sharp you put in there will be fine. Okay, so this note goes to there, exactly like that. Okay, so this is a C sharp. Okay, so you're going to find C. It's close. It's not too far away. It's only 4 notes down from that F, right? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's very close. So you find that C, and then you raise it, and your C sharp is right there. Okay, so that one is that note. Let's see if you can do the rest. Okay, at least get the note names in there. For this one, you're going to use the flat, do the flat sign next to it. Remember, this is treble clef now. So you just draw your flats in front, same line or same space, and then you have to find them on the keyboard. So you can see this is middle C again. So this note is going to be way above middle C. It's going to be like way up here somewhere. Okay. This one is just above middle C. Middle C is that note on trumpet and clarinet that you play right there. That's middle C. That's this key right here. Okay. So then you're gonna do that. Okay. This one, number 5, you place a natural sign. A natural, to make a natural, you just do an L and then a 7. Okay. You're going to place to the left of each repeated note, then write the note names on the corresponding piano. So this note's repeating. So we're going to draw a natural sign here. Okay, then we're going to find that E, that G. This is bass clef again. So there's a G. We're going to find that G. It's actually right here. And that's G natural. This is G sharp. Okay, see if you can master that activity. Okay, you can also go online and look. If you have questions, find a picture of the piano. I'll put one up on the screen at the end of this video. Okay, pause the video and let the class finish that first part then. And if they finish that or they get done, then you can start the second half of this video. This one will be shorter. Okay, so this one, we're just writing whole steps or half steps. So we write the note that is 1 half step above each given note using a sharp or a flat sign. So basically, all you have to do is write the note again, and what would be a half step above a G sharp, would actually be this note. Okay, so we've got a G sharp. If you were to look at the piano here, here's G sharp. Then the next note up from G sharp is this one right here. So we're going right to here. So on this one here, G sharp goes up to A. Remember, it's a bass clef. Okay. This one says a half step above D. So we're going to go, what's a half step higher than D? You could look on your piano. You'll notice that it's actually just D sharp. Okay. So what's a half step up from A flat? Okay. You can look in your book too and just look on your chromatic scale in the back of the book. What's one note up from A flat? Okay. A natural. So this one is 1 half step below. Then write the note that is 1 whole step above each given note. I want you to stop there. Okay. So if you can get these 2 done, if you're a little bit ahead of class, do that. We'll talk about whole steps when I come back. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.